Hello folks, this is Liu Yu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we will cook our hen of the woods, the mushroom we picked from the woods. And this is a very simple way to cook it. The main ingredients we need the mushroom, hen of the woods. It's already cleaned and washed. And we also need 2 green onion, or called scallion, and also 5 cloves of garlic. Yeah, those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut a scallion. This scallion we cut like this. Cut this long. We already washed it, cut the root, and also pick up the yellow skin. In here. Okay, this is scallion or green onion we get. Okay, we cut the garlic. The garlic we just cut the root bottom part off. Bottom part off. Don't need it. Then we just put the garlic here. Just smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it and just cut it. You don't need to cut it very small. Just cut it. Okay. This is the garlic we get. Turn the stove. We turn the electronic stove to the fan, the medium fan. When the pot is hot, we add olive oil, kind of vegetable oil, any fried oil. We add probably 2 tablespoons olive oil. And rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the green onion, garlic in the oil. We add the garlic in the oil. And slowly fry. When the scallion or garlic outside has a brown, we add the mushroom, the hen of the wood mushroom into it. Now we stir fry. This is the soy sauce. We add 2 tablespoons soy sauce to it. This is the salt. We add half tablespoon salt to it. Don't add too much. Or half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon. Don't add too much. Half teaspoon. That's right. This is the black pepper. We add some black pepper to it. Then we add, I think it's 1 cup of cold tap water to it. And cover it and let it cook. Okay. We let it cook it for 15 minutes. Then we try the mushroom to see the mushroom is fully cooked or not. The flavor is good. The mushroom is fully cooked. And we also let the sauce sieve up. I don't have a lot of water. Now we turn off the stove. Okay. So this dish is done. So the fried the hen of the woods mushroom is done, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.